This exercise create a dynamic chart using VBA coding, and the goal is to use VBA code to create a chart from data in columns A and B, and column A is for the month and column B for the sales. I'm gonna create the chart out of this, and it's gonna be a line chart. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click the sheet tab, view code, click, and then I'm gonna insert the module 1, and I'm gonna write the macro. I'm gonna say create chart. That would be a good name for this. Then enter. Then I'm gonna dim it. I'm gonna declare variables, chart object obj as chart object. Right. Then I'm gonna set the chart object. Now set chart object equals active sheet dot chart objects okay, dot add, and then I'm gonna specify the size of the chart that we're gonna create, a line chart. So it's gonna be the left first, left colon equal sign, not lefty, sorry, it should be left only. Then it's gonna be 300 size, comma, and then the next one is the width of the chart, and then colon equal sign, and the width would be 400, comma, another dimension, top portion, and colon equal sign, and top portion would be 50, comma, and the last one would be the height. Height is colon equals to, again, 300. So I'm gonna close it. Again, I'm gonna enter, and then the next thing is the chart object dot chart. Watch out for the spelling. Okay, dot chart dot set source data. I'm gonna say set source data. All right, then source colon equal sign, then range. You know already the range. The range is for the sales A column, so I'm gonna say A1 colon, then B7. That would be the sales, B column. And I'm gonna close it. Then chart object again. Okay, I forgot to put the quotation mark, so see. Alright, then enter again. Now I'm gonna say chart object again, chart object dot chart type, and then equals to XL line for the chart type. All right, then in sub. All right, then in sub. Okay, let's find out whether this one is working or not. All right, so I'm gonna go to the Excel, and then macros, then run the macro, Okay, there you have it. You got the chart, which is bigger actually. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it smaller, a little bit smaller, make it a little bit wider, right? The bottom. Okay, once more. Okay, you got the chart there, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a label. Just click the chart design, then add chart element, data labels, and I'm gonna put it above. And I think this is too big, so I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Right? So there you have it. You got the it would be dynamic. You just change the data, and then the chart will will change its appearance. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time.